Here we have one more problem on straight lines. IPE, AP and TS straight lines, important, very short answer questions, 2 marks. Find the equation of the straight lines passing through 1, 3 and parallel to, perpendicular to the line passing through the 3, minus 5 and minus 6, 1. So here we have to find the equation of the line, which is parallel to line passing to this one and perpendicular to line passing through this one. Okay, all of you. Here you see here given point, this is 1, 3 and line parallel to passing through, this is 3, minus 5 and minus 6, 1. Then find the slope of these two lines. Let us you take this as A, this as B. Slope of AB line is equal to M is equal to M1, you take M1 is equal to, this is Y2 minus Y1 by, let us you take, this is X1 Y1, this is X2 Y2. Then Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1. 1 plus 5 by minus 6 minus 3. 6 by minus 9. 3 3 ja, 3 2 ja, minus 2 by 3. If two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. So this is the required line passing through the point 1, 3 and this is the line AB. Okay, so this is line AB. Then slope of M is equal to minus 2 by 3. This slope is also minus 2 by 3. Why? Because these two are parallel to each other. So required line equation y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This line slope is equal to this line. So here y minus y1, y minus 3 is equal to m is equal to minus 2 by 3, x minus x1 by cross multiplication. 3y minus 9 is equal to minus 2x plus 2. You can take this into this side, this into this side, implies this is 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y is equal to 9 plus 2, 11. This is the required line equation, which is parallel to 3, minus 5, minus 6, 1, passing through the line 3, minus 5, minus 6, 5 and passing through the point 1, 3. Okay, all of you. Next we want to find perpendicular line. This line is perpendicular to this line passing through the 3, minus 5 and minus 6, 1. Means what? This is the line AB. And this is the point 1, 3. Then we want to find the equation of, this is L. Equation of L. So slope of AB is equal to minus 2 by 3 is equal to m1. Let slope of AB minus 2 by 3, slope of L is equal to, let us you take m2. Here these two are perpendicular to each other. If these two are perpendicular to each other, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. If two lines are perpendicular to each other, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Here m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1 implies what is m1? Minus 2 by 3 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Minus minus plus implies m2 is equal to 3 by 2. So required line equation slope 3 by 2. Then equation of the line. Then equation of the line. What is the equation of the line? Then equation of the line is what? This is m2 is the slope. Y minus y1 is equal to m2 into x minus x1 implies y minus 3 is equal to 3 by 2 of this is x minus 1 by cross multiplication. 2y minus 6 equal to 3x minus 3. You can take into this side 3x minus 2y. 3x minus 2y minus 3 plus 6 equal to 0 implies this is 3x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0 is the required perpendicular line equation passing through the 1 comma 3 passing through the 1 comma 3. This is the required perpendicular equation. Okay, all of you, that's all. Thank you. Here one more problem. IPE, AP and TA straight lines, important very short answer questions. Find the equation of the straight lines passing through A minus 1 comma 3 and parallel to perpendicular to the line passing through the points B 2 comma minus 5 and C 4 comma 6. You see here we have given BC line. BC. This is BC line. Okay. This is BC line and this is the point A. This is point A is minus 1 comma 3. We have to find the line L1 which is parallel to BC and we have to find the line L2 equation which is perpendicular to BC. Okay, all of you. So given point A minus 1 comma 3, L1 is parallel to BC. So BC slope equal to this is x2 y2 x3 y3 you take. So y3 minus y2 by x3 minus x2 is equal to 6 plus 5 minus of minus 5 by 4 minus 2 is equal to 11 by 2. So slope of BC is m, the m1 which is 11 by 2. Then slope of BC is equal to slope of slope of L1. Then point is P point minus 1 comma 3. Let us you take this as x1 y1. Then what is equation? Equation of L1 is equal to y minus y1 is equal to m1 into x minus x1. So y minus 3 is equal to m1. This is 11 by 2 into x minus x1. This is minus into minus plus 1 by cross multiplication implies 2y minus 6 equal to 11x plus 11. So you can take into this side, that is 11x minus 2y minus 2y. This is plus 6, that is plus 17 equal to 0 is the required line equation. This is which is parallel to the BC. which is parallel to the basic. Okay, all of you, required line equation 11x minus 2y plus 17 equal to 0 is the required line equation. That's all. You see, all of you, here perpendicular to the line passing through the points B2 comma minus 5, C4 comma 6. That means we have to find equation of the line L2. Let you take, let L2 line slope be M2. So L2 is perpendicular to BC, implies M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. What is M1 here? 11 by 2 into M2 is equal to minus 1, implies M2 is equal to minus 2 by 11. What is M2 here? M2 is equal to minus 2 by 11. Then we have to find the equation of L2. Equation of L2, that is y minus y1 is equal to m2 into x minus x1, implies y minus y1, y minus 3 equal to m2 minus 2 by 11 of x minus of minus 1, that is plus 1, by cross multiplication. 11y minus 33 equal to minus 2x minus 2. You can take into this side, that is 2x plus 11y minus 33 plus 2 minus 31 equal to 0 is the required line L2 equation. Line L2 equation. Okay, all of you? That's all. One more problem. IPE, AP state and Telangana state, state lines. Important, very short answer questions, 2 marks. So here, question number 9. Find the slopes of the line x plus y equal to 0 and x minus y is equal to 0. Here, we have given lines. Given lines. X plus y is equal to 0. X minus y equal to 0. Okay, all of you. Generally, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 line, where slope m is equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient is equal to minus a by b. This is the formula. If the given line equation, then slope of the line equation. Slope of the line. So here you take this first one, second one. X plus y equal to 0, slope b m1. So m1 is equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient equal to minus 1 by 1. This is minus 1. From 2, x minus y equal to 0, slope b m2. Let you take, let m2 is equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient is equal to minus of x coefficient 1 by y coefficient minus 1. Minus minus plus 1 equal to this. m2 is equal to 1 and here m1 is equal to minus 1. Okay, all of you. These are the slopes of the given equations. X plus y equal to 0 and x minus y equal to 0. That's all. Here, one more problem. IPE, AP and TS state, state lines, important, very short answer question. Question number 10. Find the equation of the line passing through 5 comma 4 and parallel to 2x plus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. And one more, 4 comma minus 3 and perpendicular to 5x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. We have to find the equation of the line passing through the point and parallel to perpendicular to. So here we have given first problem. You write first problem solution. First problem. Here passing through 5 comma 4 and parallel to 2x plus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. So given line slope BM is equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient is equal to minus 2 by 3. Here slope of this is parallel to line passing through 5 comma 4, means this is the line which is passing through 5 comma 4 and this is the line, given line 2x plus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. Means what? This m1, this is m1, this is m2 slope, m1 is equal to m2 when two lines are parallel. Then this is the m slope equal to this one. So equation of line passing through given point 5 comma 4 and slope m is equal to minus 2 by 3 is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus, this is the x1 y1, y minus 4 is equal to minus 2 by 3 into x minus 5. By cross multiplication, this is 3y minus 12 equal to minus 2x plus this is 5, sorry, this is 5. So minus 2 plus 10. You can take into this side. This is implies 2x plus 3y minus 2. You can take into this side minus 22 equal to 0. This is the required line equation. This is the required line equation. Okay, all of you. That's all. Here second problem, you see. Second problem. Find the line equation passing through 4 comma minus 3 and perpendicular to 5x minus 3y plus 1. You see, this is the line 5x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. And this is the line passing through 4 comma minus 3 and perpendicular to this one. Let us, this is the line L1, this is the line L2. So L2 line 5x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0, slope B M1. So M1 is equal to, let us you take this as L1, this as L2. So L1 line M1. So minus x coefficient by y coefficient minus 5 by minus 3, minus minus plus equal to 5 by 3. Let you take, let L2 line passing through given 4 comma minus 3 and perpendicular to 5x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. And slope B M2 implies M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. But what is M1? 5 by 3 implies 5 by 3 into M2 is equal to minus 1. M2 is equal to minus 3 by 5. M2 is equal to what? Minus 3 by 5. Then equation of line L2. Equation of line L2 is equal to y minus y1 is equal to m2 into x minus x1. Okay, all of you. Y minus y1 is equal to m2 into x minus x1. Then here you see the point, this one y implies y minus y1. Minus of minus 3 is equal to m2 minus 3 by 5 into x minus x1. This is 4. By cross multiplication, 5 of y plus 3 equal to minus 3 of x minus 4. This is 5y plus 15 equal to minus 3x plus 12. You can take into this side 3x plus 5y plus 15 minus 12 equal to 0. 3x plus 5y, 15 minus 12 plus 3 equal to 0 is the required line equation. Line equation. Okay, all of you. That's all. Thank you. Dear viewers, we have one more problem from straight lines, IPE, AP and TS states examination. So, the line x by a minus y by b is equal to 1 meets x-axis at P. Find the equation of the line perpendicular to this line at P. So, let us you take, this is the coordinate axis, y-axis and x-axis. X-axis, xo x dash, yo y dash. This is the line. You say this is the line x by a minus y by b is equal to 1. It meets x-axis at 0 comma x. Okay. We find the perpendicular. This is the point P, perpendicular to this line. This is like this. Okay, all of you. So this is the, we have to find this perpendicular line equation. Equation of this perpendicular line. Okay, all of you. This is the perpendicular line. So given line equation x by a minus y by b is equal to 1 meets x-axis. X-axis means what? Y is equal to 0. So here x by 0, x by a, y 0. Okay, that means this one 0 equal to 1. X is equal to a. X is equal to a means what? Here this point is 0 comma, sorry, this point x comma 0, that is a comma 0. A comma 0. And one more, here this is can be written as x by a minus y by b is equal to 1, implies that is bx minus ay is equal to ab. Line equation. This is equation 1. Slope of given equation. Slope of given equation. Given equation m is equal to minus x coefficient. X coefficient by y coefficient is equal to minus b by minus a. Minus minus plus, this is b by a, is the slope of this line m1, this line m2. So this is m1 line, like given line slope m1. So required line required line slope M2. M2 implies M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. Why? Because these two are perpendicular to each other. L1 is perpendicular to L2. This is given. L1 perpendicular to L2 is given. Then what is the slope of L2? This is L2. This is L1. Slope of L2. Slope of L2 is equal to, that is M2 is equal to M1 into M2 is equal to M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1, but M1 is equal to B by A, B by A into M2 is equal to minus 1, M2 is equal to minus A by B. M2 is equal to minus A by B. And point P is A comma 0. So, point line L2 equation passing through, that is A comma 0, and slope minus A by B. Then y minus y1 is equal to M2 into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equal to M2 into x minus. What is the equation? You substitute the slope. Y minus y1 0 is equal to M2 minus A by B, x minus A. By cross multiplication, by equal to minus ax. This is minus into minus plus a square, implies you can take into this side ax plus by is equal to a square. Ax plus by is equal to a square. This is the required line equation. This is the required line equation. Okay, all of you. That's all. We have one more problem. AP and TS, straight lines. Important, very short answer question. Find the sum of squares of intercepts of the line 4x minus 3y is equal to 12 on the axis of coordinates. Here, given line equation, 4x minus 3y is equal to 12. But here, intercept form of line equation. Intercept form of line equation, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. A is equal to x intercept, b is equal to y intercept. Okay, all of you? Intercept form of a line equation. You can change this line equation into this form. That is 4x minus 3y by 12 is equal to 1 by cross multiplication. That is 4x by 12 minus 3y by 12 is equal to 1. 3 4 ja, 4 3 ja. So x by 3 plus y by minus 4 is equal to 1. You compare, this is the equation 1 with this is equation 2. By comparing this one, what is A? A is equal to 3 and B is equal to minus 4. So, find the sum of squares of intercepts. So, sum of squares of intercept. A square plus B square is equal to 3 square plus minus 4 whole square equal to 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. Sum of the squares of intercept is equal to what? 9 plus 16 is equal to 25 is the answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. Here we have one more problem from straight lines. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point 2, 3 and making non-zero intercepts on the coordinate axis whose sum is 0. So, you see all of you, this is the 13th problem, first one. Here, line equation passing through the 2, 3 and making non-zero intercepts on the coordinate axis whose sum is 0. So, the line equation whose intercepts on coordinate axis is, that is, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. And one more given, these are the a and b are non-zero, and given that whose sum is 0, a plus b is equal to 0. These are the conditions are given. And one more, this is a plus b is equal to 0. From this, you can write a is equal to minus b. A is equal to minus b. So, b is equal to what? Minus a. Then you have to substitute here x by a plus y by minus a is equal to 1. So, LCM a, this is x minus y is equal to 1. By cross multiplication, x minus y is equal to a is the line equation, equation 1. And given equation 1 passes through 2, 3 implies, you substitute this value here, 2 minus 3 is equal to a. This is a is equal to minus 1. But what is b here? What is b here? A is equal to b is equal to minus a. B is equal to minus a. B is equal to minus of minus 1. B is equal to 1. A is equal to minus 1. B is equal to 1. Then what is the equation? Equation. This is here x minus y is equal to a. X minus y is equal to a. X minus y is equal to minus 1. So, x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So, the line equation is x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 is the line equation. Okay, all of you? That's all. Here, 13th second problem. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point minus 2, 4 and making non-zero intercepts on the coordinate axis whose sum is 0. So, first you have to write line equation in the form of intercepts, that is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. A, x intercept, b, y intercept. And here intercepts are non-zero intercepts of the whose sum is 0. So, a plus b is equal to 0. A is equal to minus b implies b is equal to minus a. Then you have to substitute here x by a plus y by minus a is equal to 1. This is x minus y is equal to minus a. This is the line equation 1. and given that equation 1 given equation 1 passes through minus 2 comma 4 minus 2 comma 4, then you have to substitute in this one, that is minus 2 plus 4 is equal to minus 2 plus 4 is equal to a, that is a implies a is equal to 2. What is here? A is equal to 2. Then equation of required line, that is x minus y is equal to a, you substitute here, is equal to 2 is the required line equation. Okay, all of you, that's all. One more problem, 13th, third problem. Find the equation of straight line passing through the point minus 4 comma 5 and having equal non-zero intercepts on the coordinate axis. Here given intercepts are equal non-zero. So that's why here first you take line equation. Line equation intercepts form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. A x intercepts, b y intercepts. Okay, but a is equal to b given equal intercepts, that is a is equal to b, then this can be written as x by a plus y by a is equal to 1, then x plus y is equal to a, equation 1, and equation 1 passes through the point p minus 4 comma 5, then you have to substitute here minus 4 plus 5, substitute here, is equal to a is equal to 1, therefore a value you will get. Then required line equation x plus y is equal to a, that is x plus y is equal to 1 is the required line equation. Okay, all of you, that's all. We have one more problem from straight lines, important, very short answer questions. Here, find the area of triangle formed by the straight line with coordinate axis. So, you see, all of you, suppose the line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. What is x-intercept? X-intercept a. What is y-intercept? Y-intercept b. So, this is the line and this one. This is the x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is the x-intercept a. This is the y-intercept b. Then what is the area of the triangle? Area of triangle OAB is equal to what? 1 by 2 into base A into height B square units. This is the x-intercept into y-intercept. 1 by 2 into x-intercept into y-intercept. This is the formula to find area of triangle with coordinate axis. Okay, all of you. Here you see first one, 3x minus 4y plus 12 equal to 0. You can convert this into this form. This is implies 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 12. 3x minus 4 by minus 12 is equal to 1 implies 3x by minus 12 plus 4y by 12 is equal to 1. Minus minus get plus. 4 3 ja, 3 4 ja. X by minus 4 plus y by 3 is equal to 1. Here x-intercept is equal to 4. Y-intercept is equal to 3. Then what is the area of triangle? Area of triangle with coordinates equal to 1 by 2 into x-intercept 4 into 3. 2 2 ja is equal to 6 square units. 6 square units. Okay, all of you? That's all. We have to find the area of the triangle with coordinate axis is this one. That's all. Similarly, you can do this second problem as yourself. Okay? Second problem you can do yourself. That's all. Dear viewers, question number 15. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the points minus 1 comma 2 and 5 comma minus 1, and also find the area of triangle formed by it with the axis of coordinates. So here first we have to write the equation of line passing through, that is minus 1 comma 2 and 5 comma minus 1. What is the equation of the line? Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is the x1 y1, x2 y2. Okay, all of you. Y minus y1 minus 2 equal to y2 minus y1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 by x2. 5 minus of minus 1, 5 plus 1 of x minus x1, x plus 1. Okay, all of you. Y minus 2 equal to minus 3 by 6. 3 2 ja. This is x plus 1 by cross multiplication. 2 of y minus 2 equal to minus of x plus 1. So what is 2y minus 4? 2y minus 4 equal to minus x minus 1. Minus x minus 1. You can take into this side x plus 2y. X plus 2y equal to this one you can take into this side. Minus 1 plus 4 implies this is x plus 2y is equal to 3. So this is the required line equation. We have to find the area of triangle formed by it with the axis, coordinate axis. You can convert into x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Then area 1 by area of triangle delta is equal to 1 by 2 into AB. 1 by 2 into mod AB. So this is the area of the triangle. By using this formula, you can convert this as x plus 2y by 3 is equal to 1, implies x by 3 plus y by 3 by 2 is equal to 1. So a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 3 by 2. Area of the triangle delta is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus of 3 into 3 by 2. This is equal to 3 3 ja 9. So 9 by 4 square units is the area of the triangle. Okay, all of you. This is the area of the triangle. That's all. Thank you.